Hello everyone. Let's discuss about technical appraisal report, compliance report and detailed appraisal report. KIIFB appraises the projects to ensure that they are technically, financially and economically viable. It considers national, sectoral and local needs for the investment, economic and financial justifications for the proposed project, sustainability, the extent to which the project contributes to human and technological advancement, good governance aspects. Technical appraisal report. An ideal technical appraisal report should contain details of the project at a glance, requirement and demand analysis, engineering design, functional details, operation and maintenance, financial estimate, implementation schedule and work breakdown structure, project management organization, contract management strategy, statutory clearances, quality management plan, risk assessment and mitigation measures, general observations. Details of the project at a glance. The table on the screen shows an example of the construction of the Medical College Hospital block. It contains necessary details of the project, requirement and demand analysis. A comprehensive demand analysis incorporating various phases of the project should be provided so that the requirement of a particular project shall be analyzed in totality with respect to the demand. Engineering design. The details of the engineering design as per the standards for the supporting document should be included. In this case, the subsoil investigation report as per standards is not enclosed. Subsoil investigation shall be done as per the standards and a report submitted with specific recommendations for the type of foundation. The number of boreholes taken in the soil investigation report for each block seems less when considering the importance of the project. Functional details. Client approval for the architectural drawings, master plan and DPR shall be obtained and furnished. The floor-wise details such as designated space and the area required by the client shall be furnished. The details of the references and the standards adopted for the proposed project shall be enumerated. Operations and management. The operations and management plan for the proposed buildings, medical equipment and the furniture, etc. should be provided, as in the case study here. Financial estimate. For pure market rate items, market rate analysis supporting documents based on CPWD norms needs to be submitted. A copy of the details of measurements adopted for arriving at the estimate shall be furnished. The cost index shall be applied as per existing rates. Implementation schedule and work breakdown structure. The implementation schedule should lay out the time required for the project right from the bidding process to the defect liability period. How many days are expected for tendering, when the work will be awarded, construction work and the procurement processes to name a few. The defect liability period of the project should be mentioned for civil, electrical, machinery, OEM guarantee or warranty if any, etc. The WBS should show the detailed time schedule of the entire project and should have a baseline of 0 to 3 reviewing mechanisms at various stages. The detailed WBS is given in subsequent modules. In cases where there is a delay from SPV in furnishing WBS compliances, TIW shall recommend a training programs for them without waiting for an official request. The detailed letter on the WBS, sample structure and good practices to be adopted communicated to the heads of SPVs are attached as notes. Contract management strategy. Once a project is approved for funding by KIIFB, the SPV will select a competent contractor for the execution of the project through a competitive bid process in a two-cover system. Upon onboarding the contractor, the work commences and progresses as per timelines laid down in the contract. As per the DPR tendering procedure, CPWD norms are followed for the proposed project. KPWD norms shall also be followed along with the same. The contract methodology adopted for the project under study is not given in the report. However, item rate tendering can be adopted here since the project estimates rupees 272.95 crores. Statutory clearances. The necessary statutory clearances are required from the local bodies, Environmental Impact Assessment Authority, Fire and Rescue Department, KSPCB, AAI, KWA, KCB, and Electrical Inspectorate. Quality Management Plan. Project manager from SPV will be assigned for the quality assurance at site. The quality norms should be aligned with the CPWD or KPWD norms and relevant IS codes. The lab for testing the materials should be either arranged at site or at an accredited laboratory. Site documents are also utilized for the quality check mechanisms. The KIIFB also engages their mobile testing centers for ensuring the quality of work, risk assessment, and mitigation measures. Time. This is a limiting factor that often comes into play with construction projects, with penalty clauses for the late delivery of a completed stage of the project. Risk management should be consistent and needs to be strictly enforced at all times. Finance. A budget should be provided for implementing adequate risk management control measures, which helps to promote good practice and consistent management. Communication. Document with well-written procedures and clear information and signage for equipment, activities, and materials. Training. Details of personnel adequately trained on on-site procedures and operations. Monitoring. Document describing strict procedures to constantly monitor risk management to assess ongoing complaints and where possible issues may occur. Compliance report. Once the modifications suggested in the technical appraisal report are affected in the detailed project report, the SPV submits a revised DPR along with a compliance report to KIIFB in the pre-approval phase. However, once the construction starts, the compliance report shall be submitted at regular intervals as shown in the table below. Detailed Appraisal Report. KIIFB prepares a detailed appraisal report on the submission of the revised DPR and compliance report by the SPV. The DAR shall review the components of the revised DPR and shall make note of the compliances, additional data to be submitted, and non-compliances if any on the project. DAR also contains remarks and inferences on the subcontents in the DPR like item-wise details, site plans, detailed estimates, general information regarding the proposed location, result statistics, infrastructure facilities, and so on. A sample DAR on GMC Kondi is attached as an excerpt to general observations made on GMC Kondi DPR. As the proposed site for construction is very much undulating in nature, huge earthwork cutting, filling, leveling, and rock blasting, etc. are required. Development of permitrons with calculations of earthwork cutting and filling by using any approved method shall be attached. A table showing the quantity of complete earthwork, filling, rock blasting, etc. for all the works in the subhead mentioned in DPR and its reusage and surplus materials to be disposed of shall be attached. The copy of environmental clearance, prior NOC from Kerala Pollution Control Board for consent to establish, prior NOC from Fire Department, and building permit from LSGD or Panchayat, etc. for phase 1 shall be furnished. The original master plan prepared during first phase is seen as altered in phase 2, which may affect getting the completion certificate. Clarification shall be furnished. With this, we have come to the end of the topic. Thank you.